ముత్తవరపు వెంకటేశ్వరరావు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ 2008 లో స్థాపించిన కళాశాలలో MBA, NAC A గ్రేడ్ మరియు ISO సర్టిఫికేషన్ సాధించిన మొట్టమొదటి కళాశాల శ్రీ ముత్తవరపు వెంకటేశ్వరరావు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ.
Good morning. Welcome to Web Technologies class. In this session, we will see in detail about list tag in HTML. The previous session I am covered the topic anchor tag in HTML. Okay, do as many number of programs as possible. Okay, in HTML. Okay, in this session we will see about list tag in HTML. Okay, list means 10 items is there. I have to display in order. Okay, how many types of list tags are there in HTML? 3 types of list tags are there. First one is ordered list, second one is unordered list, next one is definition list. Ordered list between OL and /OL. Okay, unordered list between UL and /UL, and the definition list is between DL and /DL. We will see these three lists in detail in this session.
What is a list? A group of related items is called a list. A group of related, definition of the list is what is a list. A group of related items is called a list. In HTML, this list can be handled 3 types of elements. The first one is UL. UL/UL. This is a paired element. Paired means starting tag is there, ending tag is there. An unordered list, this will list items using plain bullets. Okay, an unordered list, this will list items using plain bullet. Okay, next type is OL, an ordered list. This will use different schemes of numbers to list your items. DL. DL means a definition list that arranges your items in the same way as they are arranged in the dictionary. Okay, in HTML, in short, there are 3 types of what is a list. A list is nothing but a group of similar type of items is called a list. Okay, in HTML, this can be handled using 3 types of tags. First one UL tag, next one OL tag, next one DL tag. One by one, in detail, we will see what about this. Okay, in UL and OL, unordered list or ordered list. Suppose list contains names of 3 friends. Okay, list contains name of 3 friends. Okay, Ramu, Sita, Geeta. List contains 3 items. The 3 persons' names are Ramu, Sita, Geeta. This Ramu is to be placed between LI and /I. LI stands for list index. LI, Ramu, /LI. Okay. Next one is Sita. LI, Sita, /LI. Next Geeta. Every item in the list starts with LI and ends with LI /LI. Okay, this slide is exclusively for saying LI. LI/LI. Every item in the list to be placed between the tags LI and /LI. LI stands for, what is the meaning of the LI? LI stands for list index. Okay, while doing at the time of program, in detail we will see what it is. Okay, HTML, first one, unordered lists. Unordered lists, HTML unordered lists. An unordered list is a collection of related items that have no special order or sequence. This list is created by using HTML UL tag. Each item in the list marked with a bullet. Okay, this is about unordered list. Okay, we will see one program on unordered list. Okay, today all the programs I am doing within the folder C:\MVR Web Technologies class 6. In this folder I will do all the programs. Okay, I am creating the new document, create new some sample file, open with Okay, I have installed Notepad plus plus. You are also install Notepad plus 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 plus. Okay, we are doing working with list. File save as. Save as. What is the name? My list. My students. STUD students. My students. What is the type of the file? The type of the file is HTML. HTML. Save. Okay, number of times I am saying structure of HTML. Okay, this is the structure of HTML. Every HTML page starts with a HTML. The same story ends with a slash HTML. Okay, what is the tag? Head. Okay, some other items are is also there on the head tag. Okay, we will come those items later. Okay, one of the main item is title. TIT title slash title. What is the title of this? Working with lists. Working with lists. Head in the header section, body slash body. Okay, in H1 I am placing header 1. Okay, unordered ordered lists. Unordered list. Okay, it will appear on the large size font H1 unordered lists. Okay, what is the tag for unordered list? UL slash UL. If the data is placed between UL and slash UL, this is stands for UL stands for unordered list. Okay, first item what I am placing LI list index. Name of the hero or name of the hero Chiranjeevi Chiru. Okay, slash LI. Next LI. Next every item is starts with LI and slash LI. Next item NTR slash LI. Next LI Balakrishna KRISHNA Balakrishna slash LI. These are the people Chiranjeevi Balakrishna age greater than 60 years till still they are looking like 20s or 30s. Still they are doing movies. It is very very nice. From my childhood onwards, I am seeing number of movies. Now also I am seeing the movies of Chiranjeevi and Balakrishna till now also. Okay, what is the another hero's name? L.I. Prabhas. Number of Prabhas fans are there, but nowadays no movies coming from the Prabhas. L.I. Another hero name. Okay, who is that? Pavan Kalyan. Okay, if you want another heroes also, write those names also. Li and slash Li. I am placing here 5 names. Okay, every item is starting and ending with Li and slash Li. I am saving this one. Control S. Now I will open this file. How it will appear, you will see. Okay, go to the folder. Here my students, open this one. Okay, unordered list. Okay, Chiru, NTR, Balakrishna, Prabhas, how they are come with bullets. This is the one way of displaying names. Okay, the same program I am writing for your names also. File, open, open in this folder only student data. All of your names is there here. Control A, Control C. Okay, in this page only I am writing unordered list UL slash UL. Between unordered list I am what I am placing, and here H1 slash H1. It is not required, but for our purpose I'm writing here. Fourth BTech CSC students. Fourth BTech CSC students. UL and slash UL tag is there. Between these, I am writing Control V. All your names. Okay. 501, 502, 504, 505. Okay. List index. Save. Now, if I am open the same file, okay, press the button F5 refresh. Okay, it will appear like this. Fourth BTech CSC students. Okay, 501, 502, 503 lateral entry students. Okay, Jahnavi, Vamsi, Tejasvi, Ramchandra, like this. Okay, now this is about unordered list. Just nothing is there. UL and slash UL, LI and slash LI. We have to place the items like this. Okay, next one, in this one we will see list types. Another attribute is their list. Okay, okay, this is about unordered list. One attribute is there. Attribute means at the time of declaring list, I will write type equal to square, type equal to disk, type equal to circle. Okay, what it will output, we will see. Okay, type equal to square means square items will come. Type equal to disk means disk item will come. Type equal to circle means circle will come. Okay, within the same page only, I will show. I will do the changes. Type equal to. Okay, this is the list. Okay, here I am placing. Okay, without any this one, I am placing this one. Okay, Control C, copy, Control V. Here I am placing type equal to. Type equal to circle. Okay, type equal to circle means this list will be displayed at the index as circle. Just it is working or not, I will see just once again. I am running this one. Press the F5 button. Type equal to circle means how these items are displaying here. Circle, 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 circle like this. Same I want for these circles first your names also I want circles. What I have to do? Just here list index. This is the starting point. This is the starting point of unordered list. Here type equal to circle means circle will come. Here I am placing disk. Type equal to disk. Type equal to DISC, not K. Disk. Type equal to disk. If type equal to disk means Control S Alt Tab. Okay, I am going to this one browser F5. Okay, type equal to disk means here disk will come. Okay, type equal to another attribute is there. Type equal to circle. Circle square. SQUARE. Type equal to square. We will see clearly. Default it is disk square. Type equal to square. Control S. Okay, I am opening this one. F5. Is it saved or not? Page saved. Not type. Type. Type equal to square. Alt tab F5. Is it square came or not? Yes. Here square. If type equal to square means here square will come. Okay. 501 square symbol, 501, 502, 503 like this. Okay. At the time of previous also disk also some I think mistake is a DISC disk. Control S Alt tab F5. F5 means okay disk symbol will come. Here type equal to square means square will come. Type equal to circle means circle will come. Okay, type equal to disk, circle, square. Three possible type of attributes is there for unordered list. Type equal to disk, square or circle. Okay, type equal to circle. Okay, Control S, Alt Tab, F5. Okay, type equal to circle means all of them at the starting point, circle will come. Okay, fourth BTech CSE students, circle will come. This is about unordered list. Okay, now we have seen the program on unordered list. Okay, what are the attributes of the unordered list type? What are the various values of the type? The type attribute will take square, disc, circle. What is the difference? If we take circle means the list items can be displayed with starting circles. If we take square, the list items can be displayed with square. We are not specified type attribute, just ul/ul. What is the default? The default type is disc. Okay, this is about unordered list in HTML. Next, we will see the programs on ordered list. In HTML ordered list, HTML ordered lists. Okay, list is there. I want the items to be 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, or Roman numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Okay, what we will do? We will go for the concept ordered list. HTML ordered list. Ordered list. The tag for ordered list is OL/OL. If you are required to put your items in a numbered list instead of bullet. Okay, if you are required to put your items in a numbered list instead of bullet, then HTML ordered list will be used. The list is created. How ordered list is created? The ordered list is created using OL tag. The number starts from 1 and incremented by 1. Each successive ordered list element tagged with li. There is no need to give OL/L 1, this 2, this one, 3, this one. Automatically numbers will come. Every item will starts with li and /li. Okay, we will see some of the one program in ordered list. Okay, this is the program previously we have done with unordered list. Okay, the same program I am changing, working with ordered list. Okay, I am changing this one, shift O, ordered list. I am saving this file as save as my students 1. Okay, my students 1. Okay, ordered list. Okay, ordered list starts with not ul, ol, ordered list. Okay, /ol ends with ol. Okay, this is about ordered list. Okay, this is unordered list. Okay, I am deleting this one, unordered list. It is not required. Okay, here also type is not there in ordered list. Another attribute is there. We will see ol ordered list. This ordered list ends with /ol. Ordered list /ol. Control S. I am opening this file. Go to this folder where it is. This is available within D drive. MVR Web Technologies class 6. Where it is, the file is not here. Okay, MVR my students 1. This is the name of the file. The name of the file is my students 1. See here, what is the difference? If it is ordered list means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 it will come. How many number of students are there in your class? In your class 25 number of students are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, Srinivas, 17, Dharani, 19, Sirisha. Okay, is there like this? Okay, 25 students are there. Okay, 25. Okay, this is you are the list of students. Okay, in this fashion I will give ordered list. How this list will come? Okay, OL/OL. Okay, one more thing. Okay, the list is starts from which number? The list is starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am expecting that the list to be starts with not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I am expecting to start my list with number 10. Start equal to 10. Okay, I am giving the starting value 10. Control S, Alt Tab, F5. What it will come? The list starts with 10. If start equal to 10, one attribute is there. Ordered list, one attribute is there. For unordered, no need to give start. Okay, all of them are the same bullets or circles. There is no not required for start. Whereas ordered list, I am expecting the first item. The starting value of the first item is 10. Means start equal to 10. Means what will come? 10 onwards. 10. Next item 11. Next item 12. Next item like that it will come. Okay, start equal to, suppose I am placing here start equal to 5. Then the first item will starts with the index 5. F5, refreshing this one, F5. The first item will starts with 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like this. Okay, this is about start attribute of ordered list. Okay, now I am not this one, I want Roman numbers. Type, here also type is there. Type equal to small a. We will show the difference. I am given the type attribute is there. Type equal to small a, alt tab F5. Type equal to F5. It is not changed. I think we are not saved this file. Control S, alt tab. Type equal to a. Okay, for ordered list, I am saying the golden statement. For ordered list, if the type equal to a, then the items are displayed like this: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. Okay, some more items is there in the list. Not only that, some extra items are after YZ. What will come? We will say I am placing the same numbers only. Okay, up to 25 it is there. Okay, I am copying and pasting. What will come if X, Y is are completed? Control C, Control V, Control S, Alt Tab. Okay, F5. Okay, I am placing extra item now. So after Z, what will come? A, B, A, C, A, D. Okay, it will continue like this. After AZ, what will come? B, A, B, 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 C, B, D, B, D. The list is counted like this. Okay, are you understanding? If the if the type equal to A, here the type equal to A means small a means the list will come small a, small b, small c, small d like this. Okay, here type equal to not small a, capital A. Control S, Alt Tab, F5. If type equal to capital A, what will come? The list will come with capital A, capital B, capital C. After Z followed by same notation for small a. AA, BB, CC, AA, AB, AC, AD, okay, AE, AF, like that. Okay, if type equal to, okay, I am not giving small a, capital A, type equal to I. Control S, Alt Tab, F5. If type equal to I, the Roman numbers will be come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like that. If the type equal for ordered list type equal to I means the Roman numbers in Roman format, the items will be listed. Okay, type equal to capital I. Control S, Alt Tab, type equal to capital I. Capital I means the Roman numbers only in capital 1, 2, 3, 4. These are also Roman numbers. Okay, in capital letters, the Roman numbers will be displayed. Okay, this is about ordered list in HTML. Ordered list, the items can be placed between OL and /OL. Okay, items will be placed between LI and /A. What are the different attributes of the type of the ordered list? We have seen all of them. Okay, order type equal to 1 means numbers will come. This is the default one. Okay, no need to write specially type equal to 1. Okay, type equal to 1 means from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the list will display like this. If type equal to capital I means the Roman numbers, capital 1, capital 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Small I means lowercase numbers will come. Capital A means uppercase letters will be indexed. Lower a means lowercase letters will come. Okay, this is about the type attribute of the ordered list. Okay, next we will move to the next one, start. Okay, start also, if start equal to 4, the items will be started from Actually, by default, the items will start from 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. If we keep the start attribute in OL tag, what will happen? The list of items will be starts from not from 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 like this. If A type equal to A, start equal to 4, what will happen? It will starts with A, B, C, D. Okay, it will starts with from D onwards, not from A. Actually, if type equal OL type equal to A closing, okay, all the items are started with A, B, small b, C, D, E, F like that. If start equal to 4, I am placing another attribute also start. Start equal to 4 means what is the fourth item? The first is A, second is B, third is C, next is D. Okay, start equal to 4 means the items will be displayed from D onwards. D, next item, next list indexed item, D, E, F, G, H, I like that. This is about ordered list. The two attributes of the ordered list are type and start. We have seen various possibilities of the type and start. Okay. Next type of list is HTML definition list. Okay, definition list. This is used for defining definitions. Okay, for definition list, we will use the element DL and slash L, definition list. In definition, the first letter is D and list, the next letter is L, DL and slash L. Okay, the definition list will be specified between DL and slash L. Okay, definition list contains two types of elements, whereas in all other ordered list, unordered list, only Li one is there, Li slash Li, but here two times. What is the definition term? DT slash TT. DT stands for definition term. Okay, just it is no need to memorize all this. Okay, definition list DL and slash DL. Definition term DT slash DT. Definition term definition means DD. DD means a term definition. We will give the term definition in DD. Okay, HTML definition list. HTML and XHTML supports a list style which is called a definition list, where entries are listed like a dictionary or encyclopedia. The definition list is the ideal way to present glossary or list of items or the other name. Okay, I will do one program on definition list. Okay, the last program in today's session, we will see in detail about the one program about definition list. Okay, this is the program. I am deleting all this my students file save as. I am saving this file as my students 3, third program 3. Okay, just I am deleting all these elements entries in the body. Okay, I will say something about myself in this program. Okay, home. Okay, nothing is there in the body, empty. Whatever the body is there, that will be displayed. Definition list. Definition D. I am copying this one. Definition HTML definition list. HTML definition list. Okay, body slash body, it will be displayed at the top. Okay, definition list starts with DL, ends with slash DL. Okay, definition term DT. Okay, chess slash DT. Okay, I will say something about chess. DD definition DD, the body will definition term definition. DD means term definition. Okay, DT slash DT, DD slash DT. Here some information about chess. My favorite. I like chess so much. Chess so much. Number of variations is there. Number of variations are there in chess. chess game have number of variations. Okay, I will say something about chess, how to win a chess game. Okay, in order to win chess game, you must follow the following rules. In order to in order to win the following FLLOWNG following are helpful. What are the rules? First one, control the center. Control center. In center squares, 64 squares are there. Among 64 squares, in center 4 squares are there. Those 4 squares are called center. Control the center. Okay, first control the center. Next one, develop minor pieces. Minor pieces means in chess, what are the minor pieces? Okay, knight and bishop are the minor pieces. We have to develop minor pieces. Develop minor pieces. Okay, after developing minor pieces, next one what we have to do? Do castling. Castling. Some spelling mistake is there. Okay, I am repeatedly saying that English is not important. Feeling is important. Do castling. Castling means okay. That is the one step. If you don't know anything about chess, no problem. Just sit idle. No need to. Some information is there. Do castling. After doing castling, what we will do? Okay, develop major pieces. Develop major piece. Okay, next one start. Last one start attacking. These are the steps about chess. Okay, some information is there. If you don't, I don't know, sir, anything about chess. You are saying so much about chess. No problem. Just some matter is there here. If you don't know chess, anything about chess means also no problem. Just some matter. This is the information about chess. Okay. Next one. Chess is over, friends. Friends. It will starts with dt/dt. Friends. Okay, I will write here something about friends. dd/dd. Anything can be conquered except time. Anything can be conquered except time. Time is gold. Friends are also gold. The best. What you are. What you are. Very good. Surrounded by friends. Some matter, some blah 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 blah. Some matter is there. Okay, this is about friends. Okay, I have written two terms. Control S. I am saving this file. Okay, now opening this file. How this will be obtained? Okay, class 6. My students 1 3, this is the name of the file. Okay, it will appear like this. Chess, one paragraph will appear. Friends, it is for defining glossary of terms. Okay, for in order to get data this type, we will use definition list. Okay, this is about definition list. You will write I have written only two items in the definition list. You will write other items also as you wish. Okay, this is about definition list. Okay, definition list contains what in summary, definition list contains DL and /DL. The term contains DT and definition will be given within the term DD. Okay, this is about definition list. Okay, final conclusion about this session. This session we have learned three types of lists: unordered list, ordered list, HTML definition list. unordered list OL/OL, ordered list UL/UL, definition list DL/DL. For ordered unordered list, the items are separated with list index. Okay, LI/LI, we have done programs also. Okay, in this week Saturday I am conducting. Okay, this is about lists in HTML. Okay, next coming up. Okay, list is completed. Next class is about tables in HTML. One of the important concept is there in tables. Okay, very important. Web designing means we have to know a lot about tables. Next session is exclusively about tables in HTML. Okay, in this session we have learned three types of lists: ordered list, unordered list, finally definition list. Okay, one statement finally I will say one thing to you. Okay, in this week Saturday I am conducting interactive session with you. Okay, there is no streaming. At that time I will interact with you. You have to say something. If you are find HTML means study about HTML, not only what I am saying. In Google type about HTML, plenty of matter is available. Okay, you have to speak something about HTML in interactive session. Okay, I will ask what are the table tags, what are the list tags. Okay, prepare thoroughly. Okay, answer to the question, participate interactively in interactive session Saturday I am conducting. Okay, next class, tomorrow class is about tables, coming up tables. Okay, have a nice day. Bye.